In the 21st century, as technology and industry continue to advance, agriculture cannot stand aside. Agricultural machinery has become an indispensable element, bringing significant benefits and improving production efficiency. Below are the reasons why agricultural machinery is so essential. One, increased productivity and efficiency. Agricultural machinery significantly increases productivity and efficiency. Previously, manual farming required a lot of time and effort from farmers. With the help of machinery, plowing, planting, and harvesting become quicker and more efficient. For instance, a tractor can replace dozens of workers, completing tasks in a few hours instead of several days. 2. Reduced labor costs. Agricultural machinery greatly reduces labor costs. Using machinery not only saves on labor hiring expenses, but also mitigates the risks associated with labor shortages during peak seasons. This is particularly important for countries facing aging labor populations and the migration of young workers from rural to urban areas. 3. Enhanced product quality. Agricultural machinery also helps improve product quality. Using modern machinery in the cultivation and care of crops helps better control factors affecting plant growth, such as water, fertilizers, and pesticides. As a result, the harvested products have higher quality, meeting food safety and hygiene standards. 4. Adaptation to climate change. Climate change poses numerous challenges to agriculture, from droughts and floods to extreme weather events. Agricultural machinery, especially automation and smart technology, helps farmers better cope with these changes. For example, intelligent irrigation systems can adjust the amount of water based on weather conditions, saving water and protecting crops. 5. Promoting sustainable agriculture. Agricultural machinery not only boosts productivity, but also promotes sustainable agricultural development. Advanced technologies such as automatic rice transplanters, precision pesticide sprayers, and smart farm management systems help minimize negative environmental impacts, protecting soil and water resources. This not only provides economic benefits, but also safeguards community health and the living environment. Agricultural machinery plays a crucial role in modernizing and enhancing the efficiency of the agricultural sector. Implementing machinery not only increases productivity and reduces costs, but also improves product quality and promotes sustainable development. In the context of climate change and rising food demand, investing in agricultural machinery is a strategic decision, ensuring the sustainable future development of agriculture and the global economy.